How to share your Word document as PDF. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your Word document as PDF easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Word and choose your document, for example this one right here, and click on it. Then go to the top here and click on this little icon. Click on it and now click on share as attachment. Now click on PDF and wait a few seconds, and now you are able to share it in whatever you want, WhatsApp or Drive or Gmail or wherever. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.